Hey guys, just here with JHart Modelworks, coming to you with a shop card shout out and a little bit of a bench update. We're going to talk about just some stuff that's coming up, some stuff that's going on, as well as why there's no Mustang video this weekend, which that's because of me. But we'll get into that in a minute. First, I want to go ahead and get into this shop card because I've had this for a couple of weeks now and I've been sitting on it for a couple of weeks. I thought I was going to get another one in and I haven't yet, so I'm going to go ahead and get this shop card shout out taken care of for an awesome builder, John over at Left-Handed Models. He has sent me two versions of his shop card, which is an awesome shop card. They are front and back. And then there's the short one, and then there's the long one, which this is very cool. It's the same model, so just different organization, but I mean, these are some fantastic builds. That little eggplane space shuttle was super cool with the little spaceman floating up in there. As you can see, he does cars, he does planes, he does tanks and ships, a little bit of everything, and everything looks really, really good. So go ahead and check out John's channel, Left-Handed Models. That's going to be down in the description. It'll probably be up there. I only know that it goes up there because that's where the paper towel roll holder is. Go ahead and give him a check out. I would greatly appreciate it if you did. If you like what you see over there, give him a subscription. Let's go ahead and help him out. As far as the Mustang goes, so I really meant to work on the Mustang more than I did, and I just didn't get it. I did not get I didn't get the building done, much less actually edit. I have the tub is about 80%, 85% completed. I need to finish up building the door cards and then just do some final assembly, you know, get the dash in, get the door cards on, you know, little bits here and there. But the tub is, everything is painted, the tub is flocked, the seats are done up, the seat belts are in, the seats are in, the dashboard is fully assembled. It's like almost there, but then I still have hours of footage to edit, so that's not happening this weekend. I do want to get the building portion of it done this weekend, hopefully Saturday, so that I can try and knock it out, the editing portion of that, before next Saturday, so that I can post it up and schedule it to come out on Saturday morning, because Saturday morning I will not be here. Saturday morning I am going down to Houston, where the Houston Automotive Modeling Society, I believe is what HAMS stands for. Anyhow, the HAMS group down in Houston is hosting the Space City Shootout. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to Charleston, but if you're in the Texas area and you're not going to go to Charleston, I would love to see you down in Houston. It would be awesome to meet as many people as I can. I love meeting people, and I'm hoping that certain people will be down there so I can say hey and, you know, meet them. That would be awesome. Always love going to shows, always have a fun time talking to people, meeting other people who are in our hobby, and going down to a whole different area. You know, it's going to be an opportunity to meet a whole different group of people. So that's always cool, but I'm hoping to get the editing done so that that'll come out as well. So I was thinking I was going to do the interior tub, the glass, the headliner, and get all that assembled all in one video. I don't think I'm going to, just due to the time constraints and with everything that's going on and the fact that I do want to get a video out on Saturday. So for the Mustang, I think I'm just going to get the tub finished, get the interior itself finished, and get that edited together as a video. And then for my next video after that, I will work on getting the glass painted up and getting the headliner done on it, because I've got something cool I want to do there. You know, getting, you know, all that into place, getting the sun visors in, things like that, and then getting the tub mounted in with it, and then getting the body and the chassis mated together. Part of the reason why I don't have the Mustang done though is because I just cannot let go of, my brain will not stop working on the garage diorama. And I'm not quite ready to show you guys where that's at yet. It doesn't quite look like a garage yet. The floor's done, the walls are done. The loft area above the storage room is, again, 85–90% done. Pretty much I just need to do the railing and glue some things down into place. And by done, I just mean the base structures. I also need to put the TV up on the wall. But later I'll come back and I'll do things like soda cans and magazines and liquor bottles for the bar area and a coffee maker or maybe an espresso. This is how my brain works. Like literally, my brain will not stop thinking about things to put in this garage area. But once I get just the structures done, like at this point, the railings and the TV, I can then get, everything in that corner glued down and set, and then I can move on to the garage door and maybe the workbench area. And at that point, once I get the garage door on and it looks like an actual garage, I will be comfortable with showing you guys what I'm playing with, because I've got no clue. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just having a lot of fun doing it. That covers pretty much the bench update. So that does take us to, the unpleasant part of this video. I have found out why I have not been getting responses from Mitchell over at Insomnia Hobbies. Some people thought that he had left YouTube, and that's not the case. That is apparently Insomnia Model Cars, which is a totally different channel. Mitchell with Insomnia Hobbies is not with us anymore. It appears that sometime in January he passed. He was going through a lot, and he's not here, which is why I've been sending him messages and not getting replies, which is kind of what I was afraid of. So Mitchell was a huge Mopar guy. He was also a Ferrari guy. And I think that's kind of why we got along really well, is we kind of have very similar flavors in cars. I now have an official new side project. Since the Porsche is gone and the garage diorama is not an official channel project, it's just something that I'm doing, and because I don't want to put it out there like, oh, I know what I'm doing, this is how you build the garage diorama. I've got no freaking clue. I'm messing stuff up with that, and I'm having a lot of fun messing stuff up with it, but I'm probably doing things all the hard way. And honestly, I'm not like I'm an expert model builder, to be honest with you. I'm just a guy building models and sticking videos on YouTube like everyone else. Always more to learn. There's always room to grow. But so yeah, Mitchell was a huge Mopar guy, and I thought about doing a Ferrari, but I really think he would appreciate a Mopar instead. So I am going to be doing the Monogram 69 Super B. So I've kind of got some ideas in my head going about that. That's going to be starting up very soon. Probably when I get back from Houston, I will do the unboxing video for it. And this is going to be an update series. This is not going to be a build series. I definitely, for one, I've already got one build series going that takes me too long to edit, and I really want to focus on building and not on, for this one, I don't want to be focused on am I in frame, and is the camera, catching this properly, building things in a specific order so that they fit well into a video theme. I just want to focus on building it. So this one is going to be for Mitchell. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate you guys. I really do. Thanks for all the support that you guys have given me over the past years. I think we're at 3 now. We're on 3 years, 4 years, something like that. I appreciate every single one of you. So thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you guys on the next one.